To create a message template, you'll first want to click on the folder that you'd like the template to be under. From there, click on the Add button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. And now you can begin to build your template. I'm going to start out by typing in the message template name. In this instance, I'm going to use problem statement template. Moving over to the drop down on the right, if I want to change folders, I can do so here. The template type is going to show you which types of messages you'll be able to use this template for. So choose the outbound prospecting channel you'd like this template for. And then next, under the subject line, make note of those icons off to the right, tags, snippets, and sections. From here, we're going to add in the sections that we've created in previous steps. I can search using the text. So that's what I'm going to use for this example and adding the subject line. And that's going to pull in all of my different snippets that I already wrote for that. And when I get down to the text body, when we go back to the numbering of the different sections that I mentioned, this is where it's going to come in handy to be able to quickly add these into your template. So there's an example where I just typed the text, but I'm going to just start typing numbers here in a minute and just quickly add these different sections into this message template. Once I get through adding all these different sections to the template, I'm going to be able to use that preview icon off to the right of where I'm adding the sections. I'm going to be able to use that icon to look at all the different variations that this message template will provide. Now, with the amount of snippets I have, this is going to create over 17,000 different variations. I'm obviously not going to click and view on each one, but you can get a good sense of how the messages are going to appear by clicking a few times on that preview icon here to the right. So I'll show you that example here in a second. So feel free to take a look at one area of the email body. I'm going to point out and kind of highlight the testimonials and case studies section, as those have the largest variety in the snippets that I created. So by clicking on the preview icon, I'm going to see what the message is going to look like to the recipient. From here I can close or X out this and simply click on the preview icon again. And I can see a different example. So I think this really shows the power of being able to build out your snippets, because the recipient's going to get a different message every time. The last thing I want to do is to identify, if you'd like it to be public or private. Private would be specific to you, public would be for your whole team. And then you can just click on Create Template. Once you click that, the template's going to be in the system. You can feel free to click into it at any time to edit it. It's going to show you the type out on the front. And then when you do go into edit, you can either update the existing template, or you could save it as a new template if you made changes that you'd like to see, but also want the original template that you had.